All right, quickly here we've got adding and subtracting fractions and reducing or simplifying fractions and finding equivalent fractions. So quickly, let's do a couple of these here, adding and subtracting. We didn't do subtracting in class yet, but it's basically the same as adding. This is going to be the tricky one for you. But let's look here first at adding. Okay, so we have 5/4 and 1/3. What we need is a common denominator. So if I was looking at fifths, I can go 5, 10, 15. If I'm looking at threes, I'm going to go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. My common denominator is 15. So can I convert 4/5 to 15ths? Well, think about times 3/3, and then I'm going to have 12 15ths. And over here, 3 times what gives me 15? 5, so this is 5/5. So the answer is going to be 17 15ths, which you can probably change to a mixed number because you know how to do that already. Next one, I'll just help you get your common denominator here. So counting by 6s, I can go like that. Counting by 9s, oh, and there it is. 18 is a common denominator. So put those both into 18ths and then add and move on. And now we have a subtraction, 1 minus 3/8. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could probably just draw a picture for this, since we haven't done subtraction yet. If I had 1 and I took away, let me make it red, 3/8, how many 8s are left? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s is left, right? Simple. But if you want to do it with calculations, you have to convert 1 into something that will subtract easily, and 1 whole is the same as 8 8s. So 8 8s minus 3 8s equals 5 8s, which you can see in the picture as well. Simplifying, we've done this. What number can you divide both of these by? Just think, would 2 work? Yes, 2 would work. Is there a higher number? 3? No, 3 wouldn't work. 4, oh, 4 would work too. So divide this by 4/4, and that's going to give you 3/4, and you can't simplify that any further, so that's good. All right, and let's just look at the bottom one again. We've done a lot of these. This is the same as those little puzzles we did before, but 1/3 times what equals 9ths? Well, it's going to be 3/3, because 3 times 3 is 9. So your top will be 3. And you can just convert that way by looking at all of these. And I think that's good enough. So the other side, we'll have something else, but this is your addition and reducing and equivalent fractions. So thank you. Bye.